Hey everyone, welcome back to the codecamp.org. In this video I'm going to show you how to create a simple interest calculator in Python. For this you need to have Python installed on your PC. If you don't have Python installed on your PC, you can download it from python.org, which is official website for Python. And you need to have an editor. I'm using a Visual Studio Code editor. You can use PyCharm IDE or whatever IDE you prefer. So in order to create this project, we need to create a brand new Python file. I have created a Python file or Python class which I named it app.py, and every Python file should end with the py extension. So you can name this like name.py, calculator.py, whatever you prefer. So now inside this Python class we need to create our logic. So for creating a simple interest calculator, we need to take 3 inputs. First is the principal, the amount of the money being borrowed from bank or someone. And I'm storing this in floating point numbering system. And we can take user input by using input function. And the second thing we need is the rate, the interest rate, and I'm converting this to floating point number system too. And the third thing we need is the time, and I'm storing this floating point number. And the formula for the a simple interest calculation is principal times or multiply by rate, multiply by time, and divide by 100. So I'm storing that in a variable called simple principal, which is principal multiplied by time and multiply by rate and divide by 100. And I'm converting this whole thing to floating point number system. And now we need to display this simple principal amount to the user. I'm using print function with a formatted string function inside, and the amount of the simple interest is, then we can pass our variable using the brackets. And let's run this program. The amount of the interest is 1000, the interest rate is 0.4, and the amount of time is 10 months. So this is how we create a simple interest app using Python, and I hope you guys enjoy watching this video, and I will see you in the next video.